Today we're shooting at the Scripps Pier in La Jolla. You can see behind me sunset time, which is going to look really nice. This is the second time I've shot here before, and obviously the more you travel to locations, the better you get at shooting at them, and I think that's one of the things that portrait and landscape photography have in common. So what we're looking for today is some photos underneath the pier there behind us, some here on the sunset with the beach, and some looking angled this way. We're going to be focused on making sure our shutter speed is high enough or fast enough. We're going to have to open up our aperture, so low f-stop, and then hopefully control our ISO to limit the noise. With that said, I also did bring a flash. As we get closer to sunset, we'll probably have to use it a little bit, but we'll try to limit that as much as possible. So let's take a look around. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This was one of those shoots where a lot of things went right, from the way I shot, settings, everything, the light that was coming through, where it was sunset, cloudy, and then our model did an absolutely amazing job, from posing to just being open to try and have me direct a little bit, to even the outfits that were chosen. Big thank you to her, and she did, again, amazing job. With that said, if you like content like this, please let me know in a comment down below. Make sure you like the video, subscribe. I gotta go through this every... Does it even work? I wonder if there's any data that says, like, you should do this. Anyway, if you want to see the full set of videos, make sure you check out my website at beautyiswild.com. Go to the portraits page. And as always, make sure you're following me on Instagram, where you'll see some more creative edits on some of those photos. If there's any additional information you wanted to know about the shoots that I do as far as portraits, also make sure you drop them in a comment down below. And we'll see you next time.